Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I am going to share with you how to install Quantum Espresso version 7.1 on Ubuntu version 23.04. So typically we should run all these commands in order to install Quantum Espresso, but since I have gathered them in a shell script, so the file that you are seeing right now is a shell script. So when we use this shell script, we will run only one command, and I will show you how to do that. So before we start, I want to mention that I have placed this file in a Google Drive folder. You will find a link to it in the description box below. So after you download the file, obviously you will find it in the download folder. So first thing we need to do is to move it to the home folder or the root directory, and we will paste it here. After that, open the file and search for Itlami, which is my last name, and change it to your last name or whatever you want, and make sure that it's the same name in these 3 lines. So after doing that, make sure to save the file. Okay, and then now we will run this file. To do so, we will open the terminal, make sure it is in the root directory where our file is in. So after that, to run this file, we will type this command /, and then the name of the file, then hit enter. You will enter your password, and the file will start running. So here of course the installation is running as well. So as you can see here, now it's already reached the step of downloading the file of Quantum Espresso. Which is this step. Okay, so for me, I already installed this let's say packages, but for you, if you haven't installed them, it will take a little bit more time. So we will be waiting until the installation is finished. So now the installation has been completed. So in order to verify if Quantum Espresso is installed, of course, if we type, we will do a test with the pww.x command or package. If we type it, it will say that the command not found. But if we, let's say, type its directory and then the package, okay, it gives us as well an error. Okay, but generally many people they use that if they don't, for example, give the permission to the system for these packages to be accessible in any directory. For me, I don't use this method. What I am using is like I open environment variable path with this command. Of course, all these comments I will leave them in the description box. And then like I add this command at the beginning of this path. Make sure to use here the name, or let's say your last name, I mean the name that you have used here. Yes, that you have used here. For me, I will use my last name. And then I will save the file. Then I will run this command. Sorry. And now we are going to do the test again. Now, as you can see, the package is accessible from the root directory, and it will be the same if we are in any directory. I forgot to mention that for the first step, if you want to run this file, if you got an error like that, which says permission denied, you will use this command to give it the permission to be run. Of course, here you will change the name of the file to be the same as the name of the file that we are used here. I will leave the command as well, and I mean all of these command you will find them in the box description. So I guess that's all. Thank you for your watching, and like if you have any problem, you can reach out to me.